Good morning, grade 6. How are you doing, guys? I wish you are all fine. This is Mrs. Kamal from Al-Hussam International School. Let's start our math session for today. Yesterday, we have started to talk about the volume of the shapes, and now we know what is the difference between the volume and the area, and we started to calculate the volume or to identify the formula of the volume of the prism, rectangular prism, which is the 3D shape, and square prism, and so on. And I want to remember, before I start, I want to remember what is the rule of the volume of the rectangular prism or the regular prism. Jana Gaber.
Length times width times height.
Yes, thank you so much. So regarding to the rectangular prism, if you want to find the volume of any rectangular prism, we will multiply length by width by height. I have 3 dimensions regarding to 3D shapes: length, width, and height. Today we'll start a new type of prism, which is the triangular prisms. The triangular prisms. Okay, this is our lesson for today. Before we start our lesson for today, please, guys, I want someone to solve me question number 1. Soma.
Yes.
Start, Habib. Question number 1. Find the volume of each prism. Question number 1. Tell me.
First, we write the rule.
Perfect. V equal. Jana Gaber just said it.
Volume plus
length by width by height. Length by width by height.
Okay.
So length
the
is
length 9.
Oh, length is 20. Length is bigger or longer than the width. Okay.
Okay. 20.
So, 20 times 9 times the height is
20.
The height.
Sorry, 11.
11. 20 times 9 times 11 equal.
Wait, just 1 minute.
Okay. $20 times 9 times 11.
198.
198.
8.
Okay,
yes.
So 198 cubic inches. Cubic inches. Okay, thank you so much, Ismail. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2, Marwan.
Yes.
Yes, Marwan, question number 2. Find the volume of that prism.
Make volume V equal length times width times height.
Yes. Equal? What is the length here?
The length is
the
15.
Length. Yes, it's 15 times the width. The width.
The width is 20.
No, 2.
2.
And it doesn't make sense that the width is longer than length. So as long as the length is 15, it makes sense that the width is 2, right?
Okay.
Times the height.
20.
Yes, times 20. Equal?
15 times 2. Equal 600. 600 cubic yard.
Cubic yard. Yes, cubic yard. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, this is regarding, guys, to the rectangular prism. Let's move to our lesson today. And our lesson today is what? As we said, triangular prism. What will we learn today? To find the volume of a triangular prism, to find the missing dimension given the volume. Okay, so this is the triangular prism. As you see here, this is the triangular prism. What is the difference between this prism and the prism we took yesterday? That the base here is a triangle, as you see here. The base here is a triangle. The base B, as you see here, is a triangle. Yesterday, the base was a rectangle. The base of that prism is rectangle. But here, the base is a triangle. The base is a triangle, okay? So let's see how can we find the volume of this shape or of this triangular prism. Let's see here, guys. As you see here, this is the triangular prism. So V equal the volume of that shape is base by height. Base by height. What is the meaning of base? What is the meaning of B? It means that you have to find out the area of the base. The area of the base, which is the area of triangle, which is what? The area of triangle. Why? Because here the base is triangle. The base here is triangle. So if I want to find the area, the volume of this shape, I will multiply the area of the base, which is triangle, by the height of the shape itself. The height of the shape itself. Okay, so which means that I have to remember the area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? What is the rule of the area of the triangle, Omar?
The area of the triangle, length by width.
No, this is rectangle. What is the area of the triangle?
Oh, triangle, half by base by height.
Yes, half by base by height. Thank you so much, Omar. So,
Miss.
yes.
The last question that Ismail answered, the answer is 1980, not 198.
Okay, it's fine. So, guys, thank you, ya Omar. So, regarding to the volume or the area of the triangle, it's what? It's length by width by height. Length half by base by height. Sorry, half by base by height. Half by base by height. Okay. So let's apply the rule. Let's apply the rule, guys. This is the question. This is the first question. Find the volume of the triangular prism. Find the volume of the triangular prism. First of all, guys, I will solve this by myself and then we will solve together. Okay, first of all, as we used to do, I have to write the rule. What is the rule of the volume of triangular prism, which has a triangle base, okay? V equal base by height. What is the meaning of B? It means the area of the base. So B equal, what is the base here, guys? It's a triangle, so I have to find the area of the triangle. So B equal half times base times height. Base by height, right? So let's see your eyes on the base, on the triangle on the base. What I have here, guys, what is the base here? Is it 12.8 or 8 centimeter? Is it 12.8 or 8 meter? What is the base of that triangle? Yusuf.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Habibi. Can you tell me, can you find the area of this triangle, ya Yusuf?
Area,
it's half by base by height. So what is the base and what is the height?
12.8
times? This is the base?
Times what?
This is the base of the triangle, 12.8?
Yeah.
And the height?
The height,
what
13?
Is the height? No, ya Yusuf. Yusuf, look at the base, ya Yusuf. The base, the triangle in the base, 13. This is the height of the whole shape. 13. This is the height of the whole shape. Now I want to concentrate in the triangle. Yes, the height of the triangle is 10. But what about the base, ya Yusuf? It's not 12.8.
It is 8.
Yes. Why, ya Yusuf? Because the base and the height, the base and the height should be stuck to each other, right? The height should be perpendicular on the base. It should form a right angle. Where is the right angle sign here, ya Yusuf? It's between 10 meter and 8 meter, right?
Right.
So I will not use 12.8. This is not my business. It's an extra given. I will not use 12.8. I will just use 8 meter and 10 meter as the height of that triangle. Okay? So here, if I want to find the area of the base of that triangle, it will be half times base, which is 8, as Yusuf said, times 13, which is height. Right, Yusuf?
Right.
So calculate it, please.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, take your time. Half by 8 by 13.
4.
Half by 8 by 13, huh? Who calculated? Who calculated? It's 4? Huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No. No. Yusuf, half by 8, this it's 4. Half by 8, it's 4. And by 13, you didn't multiply by 13, ya Yusuf.
Ah, okay. Yes.
Half by 8 by 13.
52.
Yes, it's 52. It's 52 what? Square meter. Square meter. Okay, thank you, Yusuf, so much. So guys, here I have B. Now I have B, the area of the base. I want to find the volume. I want to find the volume. Still, we haven't found the volume yet. I want to find the volume. I have the base, which is the area of the base, which is B. I want to find the volume. Okay, Jana Mahmoud.
Yes, Jana.
Yes, ya hayati. Start. I want to find the volume now, ya Jana. V equal what?
Base by height.
Yes, base is 52. The area of the base is 52, as Yusuf said, right?
Yeah.
52. Multiply h, which is height. The height of the shape is what?
10.
Jana, the height of the whole shape.
13.
Yes, perfect. It's 13. Concentrate, guys. Differentiate between the height of the triangle in the base and the height of the shape itself. Okay, of the triangular prism itself. Okay, thank you so much, ya Jana. So 52 times 13 equal what, ya Jana?
52 multiplied 13 equal
52.
676.
Yes, it's equal to 676 cubic meter. Thank you so much, ya Jana. So guys, here, this is how we can find out the volume of any triangular prism. First, your eyes on the base, which is a triangle, and then find the area of that triangle by applying the rule of the area of the triangle, which is half by base by height. And please, guys, differentiate between the height of the triangle and the height of the shape itself. Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Yes, here, find the volume of the triangular prism. Find the volume of the triangular prism. Who will solve with me? Okay, Nariman, yes. Tusi, tell me.
Yes, I can't understand this much. I tried to understand from the questions, but I didn't get it a lot.
Okay, I will solve this. I will solve another question, and please concentrate it to see, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, Omar. Okay, start.
First of all, we'll write the rule.
Yes, V equal
base by height. But
yes.
First of all, the base.
First of all, ya Nariman, V equal base by height. طب what is B? It refers to what? To the area of the base. to the area of the base, the area of the base, okay? So, and the base here is triangle, so I have to apply the area of the triangle, which is what, ya Omar?
Half by base by height.
Half times base times height. But here is the base of the triangle, right? So it's equal to half times
9.2 is the base.
And the height is?
The height is 7.
No. Okay, the height is?
7.
The height is 7. And the base?
Is 9.2.
What about 6 centimeter? Why it's not 6? I told you that the base and the height should be perpendicular to each other's, right?
Yes.
So the base is?
6.
The base is 7 and the height is 6. Right? Because it formed a right angle here. So 7 multiply 6 equal half multiply 7 multiply 6 equal?
Give me a minute, please, miss.
Yeah, sure.
Is that 21?
Half by base by height, yes, is it? It's 20. 21 what? Square, because it's area. Square centimeter, right?
Centimeter, yes.
And then now we have B and Nariman, we have B capital in the rule, which is the area of the base. Now we are going to find the volume. Now let's get back to the original rule, which is the volume. We will multiply base by height, and already we have base now, which is 21. And what about the height of the shape itself, ya Omar?
The height of the shape itself, 4.
Yes, so here V equal 21 multiply 4.
21 times 4.
Yes, 21 multiply 4 equal?
84.
Yes, equal 84. What?
4
84
centimeter.
Cubic. This is volume. Cubic centimeter. Okay? Thank you so much. Yes, it's 84 cubic centimeter. So here I want to find that volume. Nariman, thank you so much, ya Omar. Nariman.
Yes.
Now is it clear now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, can you solve this with me?
I will try.
Yes, try. A large skateboard ramp is shown. Ramp, it's a ramp for the skateboard. Find the volume of the triangular prism. V equal?
Base by height?
Yes, base by height. And the height here, it's regarding to the height of the shape itself, right? The height of the shape itself. Okay, Nariman?
Yes.
And B refers to what?
Base.
The area of the base, right? The area of the base, which is what? A triangle. The base here is a triangle, as you see. So what is the rule of the area of the base or of the triangle? The area of the triangle, it's half
by base by
yes, half by base by height. Yes, it's half by base by height. So it's equal to half times, what is the base here, Nariman?
10.
Yes, 10 times
7.
Yes, perfect. 10 times 7. This is the triangle in the base because it's a ramp. Ramp. So the base here is a triangle. This is the base. So yes, you are right. So the base is 10, and the height it's the length which is perpendicular in the base on the base, right?
Yes.
So it's equal to.
1 second. I'm doing.
It's going to be 35, I guess.
Yes, it's 35. 35. Yes.
35 square feet, right? Now, Nariman, can you find out the area, the volume, sorry?
The volume is 35.
Yes, times the height of the shape is
7, I think.
No, the height of the shape. 7 is the height of the triangle. Now I want the height of the ramp itself.
4 feet.
4. It's 4. Yes, it's 4 feet.
Yes.
Okay. Equal 35 times 4 equal
35 times 4. 140.
140 what? Cubic?
Wait,
Feet.
cubic
Feet.
feet.
Yes. Thank you, Nariman. Now, do you understand now?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, Heidi. So, guys, here I have a volume of the triangular prism, which is base by height. Find the volume of the base, which is find the area of the base, which is a triangle. So I have to apply the area of the triangle rule, which is half by base by height, and then start to multiply that area by the height of the shape itself. Okay, so here we have two heights: the height of the triangle and the height of the shape itself. Let's move to the next page. And now, guys, we are going to have another type of questions, which is to find the what? Let's see, just a second. Find the height of the triangular prism. Okay, guys, if I want to find the height of the prism, now I have the volume. Now it's the opposite question. Now I don't need to find the volume. It's not required to find the volume. It's required to find the height. How can I find the height? I have a rule for the height itself. What is the rule of the height? As long as V equal B times H, and I want to find the height of the prism, so it's going to be what? H equal the height of the prism equal what? Equal V, the volume, divided B, which is the area of the base. So here, guys, if I want to find the volume, it will be base by height. What if I want to find the height? It's going to be V divided B, volume divided the base or the area of the base. Okay, am I clear, grade 6? If am I clear, just thumb up. If am I clear, just thumb up. Okay, great. So let's apply the rule. Find the height of the triangular prism. Now I have the volume of 12 centimeter, and I have here the base, which is a triangle with a height of at the base of 1 and height of 0.3 centimeter. So let's see what we are going to have. First of all, this is the main rule, as I told you. I want to find now the base or the area of the base of that triangle, which is B capital. It will be half times base times height, which is half times 1 times 0.3. The base of the triangle is 1 and the height of the triangle is 0.3. Guys, the height of the triangle, not the height of the shape itself, okay? So now I want to find the height. So it will be at the end, it's going to be 12, which is the volume. I have here the volume, as you see in the figure, it's 12. And the area of the base, which is 0.15. So at the end, the height of the shape itself is 80 centimeter. Okay, let's solve another one, but I want someone to solve with me. But this is the volume. This is a volume question. Okay. Now I want to find the height. So who will solve with me? Who will solve with me that question? Who will solve with me that question? Jana Gaber.
Yes.
Yes, ya Jana. Now, ya Jana, the volume, let's read the question. The volume of the prism shown is 396 cubic feet. Find the base length. I want to find the base length. I want to find the base length. How can we find this?
So we can do the rule.
Look, Jana, I want to ask you a question. Here, yes. What is the missing length? Is it the base of the shape, or the base of the triangle?
The base of the shape?
No. Look at the shape, Jana. And read the question. Find the base length. Let's see. Let's apply the rule. What is the rule here, ya Jana?
Height.
I want, Jana here, I want the base length. The base length. Look here, Jana. V equal B by H, right? This is the main rule, right? Okay. Now, what is the data you have here? You have the height of the triangle, right?
The height
of the triangle, right? The base, regarding to the base. And what else?
And the volume.
And the volume, yes. And what else? And we have the height of the ship itself. The require here is the base, okay? So here, if I want to find the base now, what is the area of the base? B capital, it's equal half by base by height. Half by base by height. So this is the base I want to calculate. This is the base that I want to calculate. This is the base that I want to calculate, okay?
Okay.
It's equal to what? Do you remember, ya Jana? How can we find the base?
We cannot divide.
Yes, we will divide. Yes, perfect. We will divide.
9 divided 11.
9 divided 11?
Yes.
No. It's not 9 divided 11. No. Okay, let's clear this. Starting from the beginning. The previous rule that I told you, it's what? The previous rule. V equal base by height, right?
Right.
And then
after that,
after that, if I want now, I have the volume and I have the height, صح? So great. So if I want to find the base itself, the area of the base, B will be what?
V equal half.
V, no. Before the rule in details, I want to find B by V and H. Now you have V and H, you can find the area.
Yes.
Right? You can find the area. B will be equal V divided H, right?
Right.
So V here is what? The volume is 396, right?
Right.
Divided the height of the ship itself is what? 11.
11.
Equal 396 divided 11 equal what?
36.
36 feet, right? 36 square feet. Feet. This is the area. Right?
Right.
Now, from the area, can you find the base of that triangle?
Yes.
V equal half times base times height. Half times base times height, right?
Right.
And now I have B or not? Now I have the area or not?
I have
it, which is 36. And I have the height of the triangle or not?
I have it.
Which is 9. So now can I find the base or not? I can.
Yes.
B equal what?
36.
What do you think?
36.
It's going to be, we took it before in the triangle session, by the way, in the triangle lesson. Now I want to find B. It's going to be what?
36.
It's going to be 2B divided height. 2B divided height, okay?
Okay.
So it's going to be 2 multiply 36, right?
Right.
Because I have B already. Divided the height, which is what? 9, which is 9. Which is 9, right?
9.
Okay, right. Great. So it's equal to?
8.
8, it's equal to 8, are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, it's 8. It's 8 feet, as you see here. right? Can you see the shape? Can you see the figure well, guys? Jana Gaber,
Yes.
can you see the figure? Yes, okay. Thank you so much, Jana. I will re-explain this example. Look, guys, this example is a little different. Why? Because here the missing part, guys, is the base of the triangle. It's the base of triangle, okay? What is the given here for you guys? You have here the volume and you have the height of the shape itself, okay? First of all, if I have the base, if I have the volume and I have the height, I can find the area of the base in one step, which is 36 square feet, and then use the area of the base or of the triangle to find its base, So this is a little tricky question. First of all, I have to find the area by using the volume and the height of the shape itself, which is 36 square feet, and then use that area of this triangle to find its base. To find what? To find its base. Okay? So the base, it's equal to 2b divided height, and as long as I have b, which is the area, which is 36, so it's going to be 2 multiplied 36 divided the height of the shape itself, or divided the height of the triangle, which is 9. So now here I can find the base, which is 8. It's a little tricky question, guys. So this is all for today, and this is all for the geometry chapter. Okay, guys. We know how to find the volume of the triangular shape, which is base by height, and the base is half by base by height, the area of the triangle. And then now we know how to find the height of any dimension in this triangular prism. See you tomorrow, inshallah, or so see you on Sunday, inshallah, with a new lesson. Stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.